this. Follow me. This is my first tutorial. Overlay link in description. Apply directional blur to blur the background. Looks plain. So little bit of a glow. Much better. Now let's add the cutout. Link in description. Add electric edges to cut out. Now adding movement just for content. Duplicating cutout. Place to your liking. Now add turbulence. Directional blur. Again, adding movement. This is not necessary for thumbnails. Copy effects. Now for the text. Font name Lemon Milk. Add turbulence to text. Always use matching colors. 𝕤𝕚𝕤𝕕. Reorder glow to top. Adjust the turbulence. Then add fractal warp. Adjust accordingly. Then copy effects. Apply glow scan to text. Add stroke. Shadow. And border. Adjust the layer. Add pink gradient. Blend to screen. Contrast overlay. And we're done.